Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyar Kolando and I am your favorite Kenyan YouTuber. In today's video, I want to be sharing with you guys how I make my liquid soap at home. And guys, this process is so very cheap and it can also help you to save up a little bit or some coins. And I think it's so economical because for a little money, you are going to get a whole lot of liquid soap, which to me is so very economical. If that's something you'd like to know how to do, kindly make sure you stick to the very end so that you may see everything that I'm going to be doing. So to start off, I'm going to be telling you the ingredients that I'm going to be using, and I'll show you each and every one of them so that you may also know how to make your liquid soap at home. So for the first ingredients, I have my foaming booster, and this is it, guys. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but it's kind of like a gel. I don't know if you can see it really well because of the light or something. I don't know, but that's it. I'll make sure I leave a picture somewhere here so that you can see it properly. Guys, I bought it from a chemical shop. It's not branded. That's why it's been put in a polythene bag. So I'll make sure to kind of leave a branded one up here so you can see whatever it is that I'm showing. So this is what I've got as my foaming booster. Then I have my sulfonic acid in here, and it's kind of black. It's black in color, so that's it, sulfonic acid. And please make sure you also check if you want to get detailed description. You'll get all of that in the description box, so make sure you check that out in the description box. Another product that I have is the soda ash, and guys, this is it. It's in a paper bag. It's not branded, but I'll make sure to leave a branded one up here, and you'll check it out so that you can see properly. As I mentioned, I just got these from a chemical shop. They are not branded in any way, so they've just been put in this paper bag, and I also don't know the measurements, so yeah. But I'll leave everything in the description box. If you want to know more details, everything will be in the description box. So this is my soda ash. This right here is another product that we are going to be using. It's called the Caustic soda. So this one, we are also going to be using it, and I don't really know the measurements, but it's kind of 1 tablespoon of it. And yeah, just do check this description box. I'll leave everything in the description box. All the questions that you have, I'll make sure I answer them. Or you can leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know, and I'll make sure I answer you as well as possible as I can. Another product that I have here is sodium. What? The name is hard. I have to counter check it. So this one is called sodium tripolyphosphate. I don't know if I've said it correctly, but everything will be in the description box. So this is it, and guys, it's not branded, so you can't really know the exact thing, but everything is in the description box. And a I'll also leave a diagram up here so that you can check it out properly and know whatever it is that I'm talking about. Another product is the sodium lauryl sulphate. Guys, I don't really know if I'm pronouncing them well, but that's it. Everything is in the description box. All the spellings is in the description box. And again, it's not branded, but I'll leave a diagram up here so that you can know whatever it is that I'm talking about. But this is also another product that we are going to be using. Last but not least, we have the color here. This is in the color green. I don't know if it's visible visually, but this is it. And you can find any color that you want. You can have blue, yellow, red, anything, orange, you name them. So I decided to go with the color green, and that's what we are going to be using. Then lastly, we have perfume, guys. And as I mentioned, all of these products, they are not branded, so I just got them. They were measured using a syringe, then just put into these paper bags. I don't know the exact measurements, but if you go to a chemical shop and you tell them the amount of product that you want to produce, they'll give you the exact measurements of the materials that you will be needing to make your final product. So this is the perfume that I got, and it's in lemon fragrance. lemon fragrance. I was advised to take lemon because I also said that my detergent, I'll be using it to clean my dishes. So that's why I got the lemon fragrance. So, guys, when I went to that shop, I told them what I wanted, and I wanted to produce 10 liters of soap. So when I said that I wanted 10 liters of soap, they put these products to measure up. I don't really know the exact measurements, how it was measured, but they do know. All I know that I said is that I wanted to produce 10 liters of detergent or soap, and they gave me all these. So that's it. Then another thing, guys, don't you forget, is water. So I'll also be using 10 liters of water because we are producing 10 liters of soap. So I'll use 10 liters of water. And remember, these are chemicals. So I'll have my gloves. I'll use my gloves to cover my hands and make sure everything is all right. Then you'll also need a wooden stick or anything just for the stirring process. And I hope you do enjoy this video. Kindly, guys, stick to the very end and watch the whole process.
So first of all, I'll start by adding all my ingredients into a basin. I'll start by adding my foaming booster. Then I'll go ahead and add my sulphonic acid into the basin, and I'll make sure that nothing goes to waste, absolutely nothing. After that, I'm going to put in my soda ash into the mixture, and I'll just go ahead and continue adding the ingredients one by one. So here I'm just going ahead with my stick, and don't mind the stick. I know it's ugly looking, but anyways, it gets the job done. So I'm just going to stir all the products together to kind of mix them in uniformly. Then after all that, I'm going to go ahead and add all the other products, such as the caustic soda, the sodium that name is so hard, guys. I'll just leave it in the description box, go check it out. Then I'll also add the sodium lauryl sulphate, all those. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and just continue stirring. And another tip, guys, is just make sure when you are doing this, you have your nose mask with you, because it was kind of choking. You know, these are chemicals, so it was kind of choking, but I didn't have a nose mask, so I just had to do this outside, but still it wasn't good enough. So I'll just go ahead, continue doing that, and adding a little bit of water as I go, just to make sure that all the solid particles dissolve into the water to produce our soap. And as you can see, guys, it's starting to form already. I don't know if you can see that, but it's starting to form. Continue watching, guys, and kindly do make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And please make sure you like this video, leave a comment in the comment section. So I'll continue stirring while I add in water bit by bit, and this is just to make sure that everything is soluble, like all the particles, all the solid particles are dissolved properly into the liquid, so as to get our soap really well and without having those tiny little solid bumps here and there. And remember guys, we were producing 10 liters of water, so that's what I'm going to do. As I add in my water little by little, I had already measured 10 liters of water, so that's what I'm going to be using guys. And the final product will have 10 liters of homemade liquid soap. After you are satisfied with everything, the consistency and all that, I'll go ahead and add in my color to just give my soap the green color that I wanted before. So that's it, and after this I'm just going to stir again and just make sure that everything is uniform. All the color has gone into all the liquid and everything is uniform, as you can see right here guys. After all that, I'm going to go in and add my perfume. And guys, as I said earlier, it's in the fragrance of lemongrass, so that's what I'm going to add in there. And guys, nothing goes to waste here. Everything must come out from the polythene bag. So that's what I'm just going to do, and I'll continue stirring and stirring and stirring until I get my desired consistency. Then I'll let it sit for some time. I'll let it sit for 4 hours to kind of, okay, you'll just see at the end. Stay tuned, kindly continue watching. So now after the 4 hours, you can see the consistency, how it is, and how the green has kind of become so thickened and dark. That's what we are going for. And guys, I promise you, this was so very cheap because I used only 300 shillings to produce this amount of soap. For 300 shillings, you get 10 liters of homemade soap. Guys, tell me if this is economical or not. Leave your comments in the comment section, let me know. After all that, we now have to pack or package our soap. I'm just going to put my soap into these little 5-liter bottles or jerry cans, and that's how I'm going to store my soap guys. So after all that process, I now have my 10 liters soap bottled and ready to be stored and used guys. Tell me if this isn't economical. For 300 shillings, you get 10 liters of liquid handmade soap at home. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upload whenever I upload a new video. Also, make sure you like this video, give me thumbs up guys, and don't forget to share guys, and do leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you found this video informative, educative. If you will try this out, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And thank you for watching up to this point guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.